Apologies, this is going to be a little bit difficult to see, but I will do my best. So we're doing crystal wave. You need to count 4 away from the hook and make a single crochet. Yarn over and pull through both. Then we need to do a chain of 3. So 1, 2 and 3. When you've done that chain of 3, we need to do 3 double crochets into the very same stitch that we just did the single crochet. So locate the stitch, in with the hook, yarn over and pull through. You should have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over for the 4th loop, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again to make your double crochet. So we need to make 2 more, so yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. And in goes another one, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Then we need to count 4 from the hook again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Apologies again, it's difficult to see. And in here we're going to do a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 to make the single crochet. We need to make a chain of 3. 1, 2 and 3. And then double crochets again, another 3 into the very same stitch. So yarn over, make sure you've got the right stitch, insert, yarn through, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, double, same stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. One more, same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through and leave it at that. Find your 4th from the hook, single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we do that until we get all the way to the end and we have our crystal wave.